Alright, let's wait for these announcements. But I just made it here to the airport. I'm taking a red eye heading to New York, getting a little New York minute in. Alright, I got here in New York and it's kind of cold out, but not too bad. I'm just going to catch the air train. It's just up here and it'll take me to the subway. Okay, here we go. I'm heading towards Jamaica Station. Seriously, the hardest is just not getting enough sleep. 3.5 hours is not enough, but today's gonna be awesome. I'm excited to go find me an awesome bagel for breakfast. And then I'm just gonna hang out, probably enjoy that in Central Park. But yeah, just real excited to be here.
Track 2628 Express Train to Penn Station. Now approaching on track 2.
And this is Jamaica Station right now. You can take 2 different ways, the Long Island Railroad, but I'm taking the subway. So they say you can only spot a tourist in New York because they're sitting looking at all this skyline. Yeah, that's gonna be me all day long, just checking it all out. Alright, here it is. That's a bagel. Not too busy. So here's salted bagel with cream cheese and sable fish. So since I got here to New York super early, nothing's open yet. I was thinking I was gonna go check out some stores or something, but they don't open for a while. So I just head over here to Central Park and just going on a little walk through a little bit of it. But yeah, you can see the skyline behind, and yep, pretty awesome. I love New York. Oh, I still got my bagel here. I ate some of it, but still got some more. I might feed it to the ducks. Oh, cool. Lots of dogs in the park. As I say, lots of dogs in the park. I'm just on Park Avenue, heading to a place called Premier 57. It's a little day spa kind of place with hot tubs and stuff. So I'm gonna shower and get cleaned up there. Should be pretty good. Alright, here it is, Premier 57. So I get this cool little wristwatch key thing that unlocks my stuff, which is really awesome. I just had an awesome spa day at Premier 57. It was so sweet. It was perfect for all the jet lag and red-eye flights, because now good to go for my meetings. The coolest thing that I liked was they had tons of different sauna rooms. They had some with like clay, some with Himalayan sea salt. They had this one that was like cold and frozen, and they had one with gold. Anyway, it was just awesome. Another cool thing is that everything in there is co-ed, so you have to wear a swimsuit at all times, but you get to hang out with yeah, your significant other, or just meet new friends. Anyway, it's pretty cool. So I've got a meeting over here with some friends from Jules, and I got the New York Public Library right here. Just walking past it because they're just right across the street at Bryant Park. So just making my way over there. It's a beautiful day. It definitely warmed up. It's about 50 degrees out, so it's feeling really nice. And actually, I wish I didn't have this top coat, because the more I'm walking, the more I'm roasted. But it's fun. Here we go, Banks Building 58. Okay, here we go. We're trying this Greek cuisine. Looks pretty good. Awesome. Oh my goodness. Those look amazing. I mean, look at all these awesome salads. Yum. Alright, I got a Greek salad, some mac and cheese, and some rice and some lemon chicken. And I got this cool sour cherry drink, which should be fun. Okay, Rockefeller Plaza. Now we're just gonna head this way. I saw a Nintendo store we're gonna check out. Okay, here we go. What? A little Diddy Kong. Mario, Yoshi's. Ah, the ghosts. And the dog. That's so cool. Here's Kong. Oh, and Diddy's in here. Got Toad and Luigi. Cool. Those ones. Only seeing some of these. Oh wow, how big and fun is that? It's a huge screen. All these fun amiibos. Okay, here goes Animal Crossing, guys. Those two. Hey, they have Martha's. Oh, and little owlets. What? Pins. Hey, Weenie. It's a me, a Mario. Just here exploring the New York Public Library. It's pretty cool. Secretly, I'm trying to find a restroom. And there's some that I see that say staff only, but I might have to give them a go. But this place is so cool. And you take a look at this hallway. It's pretty awesome. Wow. Alright, we got a little squirrel here. Everton's getting him to come over. Ah, awesome.
Make a noise.
Awesome.
Grab it.
You came in and out in the same day? Wow, these girls should feel honored. You made time for them. All right, so you're just going to tell me your first and last name and spell it.
Okay, this is Everton here. And where are we, Everton?
We're at the rooftop in New York City.
Take that out. Everton just brought me to Grand Central. Lots of people. Lots of people.
Welcome to New York.
Keep your belongings in sight at all times. I have traveled. I went from, this is with my travel. That's yesterday. I traveled from Bayshore.
Hello,
Not even a full day, and
and thanks for flying with Delta.
going back
Every
home
time we
to
take
Utah,
off,
check
we
this
try to
out.
make the world a
This
little smaller.
never happens,
Our
and I'm
first
super
priority
stoked.
on every
Not
flight
complaining.
is the safety of our customers and crew. So please give us your attention as we show you one of the safest worlds.